So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can copy and share the profile link of your Snapchat account to anyone you want. It would be easier for the person you are sharing the link to find you on Snapchat. So all you have to do is to open the Snapchat application on your smartphone. Once you open the application, you need to click on your profile option at the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. Click on it, and here you need to click on your snap code. You can see it's the yellow color QR code or the barcode. Click on it, and from here you see an option of share my profile link at the most below of the screen. Once you click on it, you can either copy the link of your profile by clicking on this option. It's you can see the link is copied, or you can directly share a Snapchat profile link to the other social media platforms as well, so it would be very convenient for anyone to find you on Snapchat. So that's a very quick, interesting and helpful tutorial for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.